Well, thank you for tuning in today as we make tuna casserole. Start with preheating your oven to 450 degrees. In a large fry pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1/4 cup of chopped onion and approximately 3 cups of sliced cremini mushrooms. Then add your green beans that have been trimmed and cut into pieces. Cook this for 7 to 8 minutes. At this point, add 3 minced garlic cloves and continue cooking for at least 1 more minute. Then, increasing the heat to medium-high, add 2 cups of the half and half cream. Spoon the vegetable mixture evenly into the prepared casserole dish. Top with your drained tuna and add grated cheese. Top it off with a layer of tater tots. Bake uncovered 30 to 35 minutes or until the potatoes are nicely browned and the center is bubbly. Enjoy.